Welcome to Product Critique. If you're looking for the best non-electric indoor heater, you've just found it. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about the Windpost indoor and outdoor kerosene heater. This unit is perfect for anyone who wants reliable heating without relying on electricity, ideal for homes, camping trips, emergency preparedness, and even outdoor cooking. Let's take a closer look at why this heater stands out. First off, the design is compact yet powerful. The heater produces up to 9,000 BTUs of heat, thanks to its efficient metal combustion cylinder that ensures complete burning of kerosene. This means you get faster, more effective heating without wasting fuel. It covers an area of about 15 to 20 square meters with a 360-degree radiant heat output. So whether you're in a tent, garage, greenhouse, or just dealing with a power outage at home, this heater has you covered. One of the highlights is its portability. It weighs just under 7.5 pounds and measures 13 inches in length, width, and 14 inches in height. It's built with a durable metal frame, has a protective grille for safety, and comes with a convenient handle that makes moving it around incredibly easy. It also includes a dedicated storage bag, which makes it even more travel-friendly. Another thing you'll appreciate is the heater's energy-saving design. It's not just non-electric, it's also smokeless, quiet, and clean burning. It operates with low oxygen emissions and features anti-scalding and tip-over protection. That makes it a much safer alternative compared to traditional indoor heaters, especially when you're using it around kids or pets. Let's talk about versatility. This isn't just a heater. The adjustable windshield and removable enamel hood allow you to bring the flame closer to the surface. That makes boiling water or cooking while camping incredibly easy. You can use it to prepare meals, make coffee, or even barbecue, all without any electricity. Whether it's emergency heating, outdoor cooking, or a quiet winter night in a cabin, this heater adapts to your needs. The combustion efficiency is remarkable at 99.8%, and the heater includes 3 durable wicks. Each wick can last up to 6 months, so you won't need replacements anytime soon. It consumes about 0.25 liters of kerosene per hour and can run for 16 to 21 hours on a single fill. That gives you peace of mind when you're off-grid or facing a long power cut. In summary, the Windpost indoor and outdoor kerosene heater is a solid investment for those who need dependable, portable, and non-electric heating. It's efficient, lightweight, and multifunctional, ideal for indoor and outdoor use. If you're serious about staying warm without relying on the grid, this heater deserves a spot in your gear. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an in-depth review like this one. See you in the next video.